Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode of Cooking with Mona and Mish. Today we are gonna make Persian Halva, but the only thing we are gonna make it really simple and easy, and that's using the microwave. But with using the microwave, we are not gonna compromise the taste because we're only gonna toast the flour with the microwave, okay? This is usually takes 45 minutes stirring on the stove. By this way, it takes between 12 to 14 minutes. Believe me, it's much easier this way. And here are the ingredients, and as usual, the ingredients are all in the description box of the video. So we have 2 cups of flour, and I did sift this flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, half teaspoon of saffron powder, and 1 cup of tasteless oil. I use here grapeseed oil and 1/4 cup of rose water. First thing, we're gonna start by making the syrup. And for the syrup, we're gonna add the sugar, water, and the saffron, mix them, and then we put them on the stove. And when they boil, we're gonna add the rose water on them and turn off the stove and put them on the side. And here we put it on top of the stove and we stir it well. And here it started to boil. So at this stage, we add the rose water and then stir it and turn off the stove and put it on the side. That's it for the syrup. And now for toasting the flour. So we're gonna add the oil, and I'm gonna add it gradually while mixing the flour with the oil, and we need to mix it very well. Now, it's very important on the microwave, we are gonna put it at 2 minutes intervals. So don't put it more at 2 minutes at a time, because then the sides is gonna be uneven, and it's gonna burn. So please stick to only 2 minutes each time, okay? The total time will take you between 10 to 14 minutes. I've done it before at 12 minutes, and this time I've done it, it took me 14 minutes with different microwaves. So here you can see how smooth it became after I added all the oil. And here after the first 2 minutes, make sure you use mittens. It's hot when it comes out from the microwave, and mix it really well together, okay? And here I'm gonna clean the spoon and put it back in the microwave for another 2 minutes. So here is the second 2 minutes. Total, it's been 4 minutes. We just stir it. Microwave it for another 2 minutes. So here after 6 minutes, we mix it well and we put it back in the microwave for another 2 minutes. And here is after total of 8 minutes, I start smelling the toasting of the flour. So you can smell of a toasted flour here. And I mix it really well. And again, I'm gonna put it back on the microwave for another 2 minutes. And here it is after total of 10 minutes. So we mix it again very well. And here you start seeing the color is starting to get a little bit darker, okay? Keep mixing it very well and then put it back in the microwave for another 2 minutes. And here is after total of 12 minutes. So as you can notice that the color become a little bit darker. So we want to make sure it's like a golden brown color, a little bit on the dark side, but we don't want it to be dark brown at this stage. So it was a little bit lighter, so I want to add another 2 minutes. But to be safe, I added 1 minute at a time to make sure I can reach the color I want without burning the flour, okay? So here is after total of 13 minutes. So the color became much darker. I would like to have it a little bit darker. By the way, the taste at this time you can stop. The taste will be the same. It's only the color. So it is usually the end color of it is dark brown. But at this stage, we want it to be a little bit golden brown, as I said earlier, little bit to the dark side, okay? And here is after total of 14 minutes. So I think this color is perfect. I'm gonna stop now and then I'm gonna finish cooking it on the stove. I'll show you how. So now I'm just gonna transfer it. Just be careful, don't burn yourself. So I put it on like a medium-low heat and I stir it here a little bit on the stove. And then I'm gonna add the syrup that I made earlier on it. Make sure to add the syrup gradually, okay? So here also don't worry if you get the texture a little bit granulated. It will go all together back again into one piece, okay? And here I put it the last. You see here, it's starting to get all together. So now you just keep mixing it till it gets stick all together. It will become all one piece and it is not sticking in the bottom of the pan, okay? Now at this stage, I'm not gonna edit the video. So this is gonna be the actual time that how it happened. Just to make sure that you can follow the same steps, okay? So now you just shake it in the pan. This is very, very fun and satisfying step to do. You see how it looks very nice? And that's it, it's done. Now we just need to plate it and decorate it. And here I have really a failed attempt. I put it in a pastry bag and I tried to make it like piece by piece with like paper cups, but it was very hot. I could not handle it. So I stopped this and I just put it back into a pan and I spread it and a little bit decorated and then garnish it with some pistachio. So I'll keep you to see this step how it happened. But at the end, you know, looked okay. I wish I could decorate it better, but it came out okay. But the taste was really, really perfect. In no way you can tell that this is done by the microwave. So here I smoothed it out with a spoon and then I tried like to decorate it a little bit. And here I just went over the grooves a little bit so to make them more visible. And I added here some pistachios for decoration. And here it is, it's ready. And I hope you guys like this way of making this recipe really fast and easy. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments.